Best pressure cookers. Are you looking for the best pressure cookers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Wolf Gourmet Programmable 6-in-1 Multi-Cooker, model WGSC 100S, is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline cooking tasks with its multifunctional capabilities. With a generous 7-quart capacity, this multi-cooker is suitable for preparing meals for families or gatherings, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this multi-cooker is its 6 cooking functions: slow cooking, rice cooking, sautéing, searing, sous vide, and steaming. This variety allows users to tackle a wide range of cooking methods without needing multiple appliances. The slow cooking function is perfect for creating tender, flavorful dishes over an extended period, while the rice cooking function ensures perfectly cooked grains every time. The sauté and sear functions allow for browning and flavor development before slow cooking or braising, enhancing the overall taste of the meal. For those interested in sous vide cooking, the Wolf Gourmet Multi-Cooker includes a temperature probe that helps maintain precise temperatures, ensuring consistent results with sous vide dishes. This feature is particularly useful for cooking meats to the desired doneness without the risk of overcooking. Constructed with stainless steel, the multi-cooker is both durable and easy to clean. The sleek design, complemented by a distinctive red knob, adds a touch of elegance to kitchen decor. The programmable settings allow users to set cooking times and temperatures with ease, making it convenient for busy lifestyles. Overall, the Wolf Gourmet Programmable 6-in-1 Multi-Cooker combines versatility, functionality, and style, catering to various cooking needs. Whether you're slow cooking a hearty stew, preparing fluffy rice, or experimenting with sous vide, this multi-cooker is designed to simplify the cooking process while delivering delicious results. Its user-friendly interface and robust construction make it a reliable choice for both novice and experienced cooks. Number 2. The Fissler Vitavit Premium Pressure Cooker is a high-quality kitchen appliance designed to enhance cooking efficiency and versatility. With a capacity of 6.3 quarts, this pressure cooker is ideal for preparing meals for families or gatherings, allowing you to cook large portions quickly and easily. One of the key features of the Vitavit Premium is its advanced pressure control system, which includes 3 cooking levels: low, medium, and high. This allows users to tailor the cooking process to the specific dish being prepared, whether it's delicate vegetables, grains, or tougher cuts of meat. The pressure cooker is designed to reduce cooking times significantly, often by up to 70%, while retaining essential nutrients and flavors. The Vitavit Premium also includes a steamer insert, enabling users to steam vegetables, fish, and other foods while pressure cooking simultaneously. This feature promotes healthy cooking by allowing you to prepare multiple components of a meal at once, maximizing both time and nutrition. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while the polished surface makes it easy to clean and maintain. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of the Fissler Vitavit Premium. The pressure cooker is equipped with multiple safety features, including a locking mechanism that prevents opening while under pressure and a pressure indicator that signals when it's safe to open. These features provide peace of mind, especially for those new to pressure cooking. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfortable and secure handling, and the cooker's compatibility with various heat sources, including induction, enhances its versatility in the kitchen. Additionally, the sleek design and modern aesthetic make it a stylish addition to any cookware collection. In summary, the Fissler Vitavit Premium Pressure Cooker with steamer insert combines efficiency, safety, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for home cooks looking to simplify their meal preparation. Whether you're simmering soups, braising meats, or steaming vegetables, this pressure cooker delivers delicious results while saving time and energy. Number 3. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is an innovative 8-quart electric pressure cooker that combines 9 kitchen appliances into one versatile device. Designed for busy home cooks, it functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, and sterilizer, streamlining meal preparation while saving space in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the Duo Plus is its whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for cooking without disturbing the household. With its 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping, allowing users to cook large quantities with ease. The device utilizes advanced pressure cooking technology to significantly reduce cooking times, enabling dishes to be ready in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods while retaining flavors and nutrients. The Instant Pot Duo Plus offers intuitive controls and an easy-to-read display, allowing users to select cooking functions and customize settings effortlessly. Its built-in app features over 800 recipes, providing inspiration and guidance for a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to desserts. This extensive recipe collection ensures that users can explore different cuisines and cooking techniques, enhancing their culinary skills. Safety is a top priority in the design of the Instant Pot Duo Plus, which includes multiple safety features such as overheat protection, a safety lock, and a pressure release valve. These features give users peace of mind while cooking under pressure. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the inner pot is not only robust but also easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The sleek design of the Duo Plus complements any kitchen decor, and its compact size makes it easy to store. In summary, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart electric pressure cooker is a powerful and multifunctional kitchen appliance that simplifies cooking, making it a must-have for any home chef. With its quiet operation, extensive recipe app, and numerous safety features, it delivers delicious meals quickly and conveniently, transforming the way you cook. Number 4. The COSORI electric pressure cooker is a versatile 6-quart multi-cooker that offers 9 cooking functions in one appliance, making it an essential tool for any modern kitchen. Designed to cater to a variety of cooking styles, it serves as a pressure cooker, rice cooker, slow cooker, sous vide, sauté pot, and more, allowing users to prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. With a powerful 1100W heating element, the COSORI pressure cooker significantly reduces cooking times, enabling quick meal preparation without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping, accommodating everything from soups and stews to grains and desserts. This makes it perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy homemade meals without extensive cooking time. One of the notable features of the COSORI electric pressure cooker is its safer venting design, which minimizes the risk of splatter and steam burns during pressure release. This thoughtful design enhances user safety, especially for those new to pressure cooking. Additionally, the appliance features an easy-to-read control panel with preset programs, simplifying the cooking process and making it accessible for cooks of all skill levels. The stainless steel inner pot is not only durable but also easy to clean, as it is dishwasher safe. Its sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor, while the compact size ensures it can be easily stored when not in use. The COSORI electric pressure cooker is equipped with advanced safety features, including overheat protection and a safety lock, providing peace of mind while cooking. The appliance also allows for convenient meal prep with its delayed start and keep warm functions, ensuring that food is ready when you are. In summary, the COSORI electric pressure cooker 6QT is a reliable and multifunctional kitchen appliance that simplifies meal preparation. Its powerful performance, user-friendly design, and enhanced safety features make it a valuable addition to any culinary toolkit, enabling users to explore a variety of cooking methods and enjoy delicious meals with minimal effort. Number 5. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to streamline cooking and enhance meal preparation efficiency. With an 8-quart capacity, it is perfect for families or those who enjoy meal prepping, allowing users to cook large portions quickly and easily. This versatile cooker combines 7 appliances in one, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and sterilizer. This multifaceted design eliminates the need for multiple devices, saving both space and time in the kitchen. The Instant Pot utilizes advanced pressure cooking technology, significantly reducing cooking times by up to 70% while retaining the flavors and nutrients of your meals. The Duo model features an intuitive control panel and a large, easy-to-read display, enabling users to select cooking functions and adjust settings with minimal effort. It comes equipped with an app that includes over 800 recipes, offering inspiration and guidance for a wide range of dishes, from hearty soups and stews to delicate desserts. This extensive recipe collection allows users to experiment with various cuisines and cooking techniques. Safety is a key priority in the design of the Instant Pot Duo. It includes several safety features such as a safety lock, overheat protection, and a pressure release valve, ensuring peace of mind while cooking under pressure. The stainless steel inner pot is durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. The 7-in-1 Instant Pot also includes additional features like a keep warm function and a delayed start option, allowing users to prepare meals ahead of time and have them ready when needed. Its sleek stainless steel design complements any kitchen decor, and its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. In summary, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a powerful and versatile appliance that simplifies cooking, making it an essential tool for home chefs. With its combination of efficiency, safety, and a vast array of cooking functions, it transforms the cooking experience, enabling delicious meals to be prepared quickly and conveniently.